having a hurricane, y'all. Better run, girl. Run, Forrest. Run. Run, girl. Girl, you better run. Girl, you better run. Girl, you ain't running fast enough. Pick 'em up. My TV done got knocked out. My phone is knocked out. Crazy folks do this, they be outside in a hurricane. Now he run out here, got his drawers showing like crazy. See, this is what black folks do. Woo, my feet. We're in the midst of a hurricane right now. I didn't even know it was coming. You hear the thunder? This is wonderful. I love weather like this. Let's take a look. I guess we have to sign off now. My battery running low. Greensboro, North Carolina. Out.